The Wheelers Mount Baptist Church in St. Catherine stands proudly in its community. For 120 years, the church has been dedicating itself to serving surrounding communities and shows no signs of slowing down. Orlando Wright, who has been pastoring the church for 34 years, says the church is now building a health center for residents to make access to health care easier. This is following its recent education project.
Right now we are establishing a medical center at Mount Nebo that will be able to touch lives, because it's so hard for medical services to be obtained, but we are working assiduously to set up that medical center. In fact, some years ago we started a school, the Mount Nebo Evening College, which Wheelers Mount is a part of that college. We graduated over 500 young people. Young people were dropped out. They were given a second chance.
The church was also instrumental in building a basic school that is now the first choice for early childhood education. Wright outlines some of the many ways the church has been building the local community.
We were able to build houses. In fact, from the Wheelers Mount, Guys Hill, Mount Nebo, we were able to build over 55 houses for the less fortunate, the destitute, the homeless, and we are proud of that. Every year we were able to get missioners from South Carolina, North Carolina, and all over the states coming to engage themselves in medical, like doctors and nurses and dentists, and every year, the community and everyone has been helped through that ministry.
The Springfield Community Club has partnered with the church in outreach projects, and President of the club, Linward Brown, attests to the church's value in the community.
The church and the community work together lovely. In fact, when we're having function, the church would help us out, and we help them out back to in that regard. And the church source food from Food for the Poor and our organization to give to the elderly in and around the community. So the church, in fact, play its role in the community.
The pastor says the church is in need of an infrastructural upgrade so it can continue serving others. Janelle Powell, CVM Live.